Good afternoon, Ken here from Ultralight, and I'm going to do a short instructional video right now on our BA-DB-ARRI, which would be this part right here. So you're going to get a bag with a bunch of parts. You open that up, dump it out, but be careful when you dump it out because there are two little extra pins like this in the bag. There should be. Oh, here's the other one. See how small they are? So anyways, these pins are for the bottom here, for the RE locating pins. If you have problems, you can pull these out, put the new pins in. So anyways, how do you use this? Take this bolt, put it down through the center, and this way everything is flush. You'll take a bar or a mount with the RE mounting on there. You can take this, fit it on there, twist this, tighten it down. And the nice thing about this is once this is on, you can either take our BADT and slide it on here, or you can take the BA-AD, which is angled, and use this. So some people will ask, well, what's the object of this? Why should I use this versus like a Cinelock or Kondor Blue mount with a ball mount on there? So those mounts slide in and they're made to be snug, but they're not always snug. So there could be some movement. The idea on these, and it works super great really, is as you tighten this down, you're pinching these two parts together. So there's no movement at all. There's nothing that's going to move. It's solid. Actually even more solid than a lot of the Cinelock and the Kondor Blue mounts and that type of thing. It does take a little work to untwist it, I guess, and slide it off. But to me, I think that's probably just as quick as doing the lever on one of those Cinelocks or Kondor Blue and sliding things together. It is a very great alternative, and these two parts combined are much cheaper than the other ones combined. So that's another really good option. So anyways, this is our version of an RE mount with a sliding disc, quick disconnect. That's how you use it. Other than that, happy filming and have a great day.